Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Audible membership on mobile. First, open your mobile browser and go to the Audible website. You'll need to log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, you can then proceed to your account details to start the cancellation process. This method ensures you can manage your subscription directly from your phone, giving you full control over your membership. After logging in, you'll want to find the Account Details section. This is usually accessible from a menu or by tapping your name. Once there, scroll down until you see your membership information. You're looking for a link or button that says something like Cancel Membership or Manage Membership. This is where you'll initiate the process. Now, click on the Cancel Membership link. Audible might present you with a few options, such as pausing your membership for up to 3 months or switching to a different plan. Carefully review these choices. If you still wish to cancel, proceed by selecting your reason for leaving and confirming your decision to terminate your subscription. After confirming your cancellation, you should receive an email from Audible within a few minutes, verifying that your membership has been successfully terminated. It's important to remember that even after canceling, all the audiobooks you've purchased will remain in your library, and you can access them anytime. You won't lose your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.